Good afternoon. I'm Becky, your independent Scentsy consultant, and today I would like to share with you a few new things that Scentsy came out with recently. Today is Sunday, August 18th, and I'm always a little behind on the game. A couple of weeks ago, we had a family vacation, and then I came back and I worked for a week, and then I went on vacation to visit my folks in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan, and I just got back yesterday. So I was a little backed up on some of my orders and some of the new things that came out. I just haven't had a chance to share. So today I wanted to talk a little bit about that. So let's get into it. Since he came out with a Lord of the Rings collection, I did sell one warmer and several of the bars. And it came out a couple of weeks ago. I'm not sure. They always kind of say that, I don't know how long it'll be available. I'm guessing through the end of September at least. It was just launched, like I said, just a couple of weeks ago. So I would expect, and usually they use the wording, while supplies last. But I mean, if things don't sell out, it probably should be available through the end of September. But the bar that came out was called Shire Sunrise. And the scent description that Scentsy says is, it's the dawn of a new journey as a woodland breeze carries hints of fresh citrus and forest florals over lush and peaceful hillsides. Now, I do tend to like a lot of the green scents, but I'm picky about them. When it first came out, like I said, I was on vacation a couple of weeks and I didn't have time in between. I was just playing catch up, so I didn't have time to really warm this one yet. But I think I'm going to throw it in some of my warmers today. On cold sniff, I really do like it. I'm curious how everything comes together on warm. I do like citrus scents a little bit. I do like, florals. And it is a little bit of a green scent. I can't say that it really reminds me of any of the other green scents yet. My favorite green scent, I think, is bamboo yuzu. And so, it doesn't smell like that, but anyway, I'm curious what that'll smell like on warm. I did get 2 bars, because at this point, it was better to do a bundle deal and to get that free bar. I think that's changing with the new catalog. I don't think they're going to be able to bundle and save on the licensed bars only, just on the licensed bars. So if there's any licensed bars that you're interested in right now, you should go ahead and get those ordered by the end of the month, so at least you can get that free bar. Or you can always put them in Scentsy Club. When you put them in Scentsy Club, you get 10% off. I'm not sure if that rule has changed at all. I haven't really dug around. I don't know if they've really specified that. If there's a discount, you still get 10% off that way. Okay, so another collection that was released recently is called the Gordy Goodness Wax Collection. And it came in this kind of like meshy bag. And it has a cute little tag. And what was great about the tag is it gave a description and the scent notes of all of the scents in there. So you don't have to go back to the website to print those out. And actually, I went on the website, to get the scent description of that Lord of the Rings. And I noticed there was a note to the consultants that this is on back order. And it said the collection will remain available for purchase, but placed on back order. So you're actually able to add it into your order. And that is something new that Scentsy has been doing. They've been allowing you to add things like, as a back order item, and it'll just ship to you whenever it comes out. And which is nice because then you don't have to pay 2 different shipping fees or wait till it comes back out. I don't know that they're going to do that on everything, but they are at least, putting a little flag on that, on the product, and to let you know that if it's on back order, you're still able to put it in your basket and actually order it. Okay. And it just says that they expect it to be shipped separately in September. It doesn't really give a date, but I would figure that since it's a fall collection, or kind of a more fall scented things, that they're going to be pretty quick to get that available to the customers. Okay, let's jump on into that collection here. The first one is called Very Good Pumpkin, and the scent notes say prize-winning pumpkin infused with sun-ripened berries and autumn spices. I did smell these right before I left. And like I said, I always date my bars here of when I bought it, because if I get multiple bars, I just want to be able to, move through them, the oldest first and that kind of thing. I'm pretty sure I'm going to like this. I do like most of the berry scents. So I live in the Midwest. I live here in Illinois, and it's still pretty warm here. So I don't know. I'm afraid to warm some of the fall scents too early because I don't know if that means I don't like them or it's just quite not the right timing. But I've got plenty of summer scents to kind of finish and transition things to finish. But this is really bubbly. Some of these bars, you can pop them out. You smell them on the backside. Sometimes they get a little bit different on the backside, and you get a very berry smell. I really do like this one a lot. I don't smell pumpkin to begin with at all, but maybe that'll come out a little bit on warm, but I would say it's mostly a berry scent for sure. Okay, next one up is called Hollow Harvest, and it says smoked embers and vanilla beans flicker inside a hand-carved pumpkin. I remember liking this on cold sniff, and oh man, it is, there's, like around the campfire has that embery smell and that spiced ember glow. Yes, I know I'm gonna like this one. It does have a smoky scent to it. And if you're not really drawn to that, there's things you could mix with it. Maybe something like maybe gimme candy or something. I don't know. I mean, I'll just have to see. I kind of do play around with a little bit of mixing. I'll start out with a half a cube of something and half a cube of something else or whatnot. So I might try, something, a sweeter scent with that. Just, maybe kick that down. If it's too smoky, maybe just try a sweeter smell for that. Pumpkin roll, that's something we've had in the catalog, pretty much every fall and winter catalog. It seems to come back. Can't remember when pumpkin roll was first released, but for me, in my house, I only like this with fresh bars. I just noticed as it ages, it just turns different for me. So it just smells, it does have more of a bakery smell when it's a fresh bar. And I think that's why I like it so much. But yeah, I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you think, if there's, if it does the same thing for you. I just noticed some bars are better fresh and some bars are better when they cure. It's just all over the place. The next one up is Pumpkin Sticky Bun. Scentsy says, savor a bite of rich pumpkin and pecan drizzled with coconut cream. I did smell this when it came out. Let's see there. And, yeah, I'm kind of picky about my bakeries, but I'm not a big fan of sticky cinnamon bun. I know there's a lot of people that like that, but it's a real, I don't know how to explain that. I don't know how to explain that one. I talked about that one before in one of my other videos, and I can't remember. I had a beautiful description of that one time. It's not popping out very easily for me. I don't know why that's not coming out. Yeah, it doesn't want to come out. I'm not going to force it. But it is really pretty. It's a very nice bakery. Like I said, sometimes if the cinnamon gets a little weird, I add in I have vanilla cream in my club. I like that one a lot. Or vanilla bean buttercream. That's just amazing to add to anything. So if sometimes, if those bakery scents get a little bit too strong one way or whatnot, you can always just tame it down a little bit. And the last one up is Spiced and Spirited. Delight in a hearty pumpkin brown sugar and a splash of smooth bourbon. Okay, let's see. I remember. Yeah, this smells, this reminds me of some kind of candy. Gosh, I don't even know what that was. Now that it's sat, like I said, I've had this for about, 2 or 3 weeks now because we had early access as a consultant. You can buy them early. And it sat for a little bit. Oh, it's beautiful. I don't know what this is, but I don't know. Pumpkin, brown sugar. It just, this is all fall in a bar. Yeah, it's really nice. Very nice. So anyway, yeah, you might think about picking up this collection. Like I said, it's on back order. So, but, feel free to go ahead and order that. And, just know that it'll ship at a different date. And since he's really good about sending emails to let you know when all that stuff happens. So, that's all I have for today. I'm going to be sharing a couple more videos. I have the 10 new bars from the fall catalog I'm going to share soon. And then there's another harvest collection that came out that I have early access to that will be available on September 1st. So I will see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching, and hit subscribe if you like this content. Thank you.